Dongguan Lush Technology Corporation Limited is located in Houjietown, Dongguan City, Guangdong Province. We have our own factory building, including several floors of production sites and offices. We have seasoned engineering team, research and development team, quality assurance team, and a sales team with a total around 300 workers to meet the rapidly growing requirements of national and international customers. We have been focusing on research and development of ultrasonic cleaning equipment and cleaning solutions for over 20 years. Our products range covers household use, commercial and industrial series, as well as custom-made large industrial ultrasonic cleaning machines from 100 liters to 200,000 liters. Our monthly production capacity is 200,000 units to ensure fast delivery for all the orders. We can provide ODM and OEM service and has been continuously cooperating with famous brands. Our warranty period is 1 year for all the machines. If any technical problem during warranty time, replacement parts will be sent free. Technical support and customer service is also available lifelong. Our factory is certified to ISO 9001-2015 quality management system, and our products certifications and test reports include CE, FCC, PSE, and other safety certifications, as well as IOHS, IECH, SCCP, etc. We have got more than 60 patents and certificates in total. Our hot products include full automatic ultrasonic cleaning machines, gas phase refrigeration ultrasonic cleaners, mold waterway ultrasonic cleaning machines, multi-tank and single-tank ultrasonic cleaners, immersed ultrasonic vibrating packs and rods, benchtop ultrasonic cleaners, and solid cleaning sheets, etc. We welcome customers all over the world to ODM, OEM, wholesale, and customize. Welcome to visit our factory.